2025. What a year! We didn't just use smart home tech, we reinvented it. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I built in 2025 as a short recap. We started with a bang. I took the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses and hooked them up to a WhatsApp bot. Now I can control my entire Home Assistant setup by just whispering to my glasses. We tackled the cold mornings and the hot afternoons as well. I showed you how you can ensure that your car is perfectly tempered every time when you walk up to it, no matter if it's hot or if it's cold. Then I got my hands dirty. I built the very first version of my DIY smart home remote control, and this is just the start. Speaking of smart, I also strongly improved my sleep mode detection for the house using N8N and AI. And the soldering iron stayed hot. I built a custom LED matrix using WLED, and I also improved my IKEA FADO glass sphere lamp by enabling it for tap control and also integrating it with Home Assistant. I also sat down with Lukas from Hobby Blogging to geek out on our favorite smart home automations and also to talk about N8N, an awesome workflow automation tool for your smart home. And have you seen my series about 10 insane ways how to use generative AI for great use cases within your smart home? One of my favorite highlights is my new voice chatbot that I built that can automatically call doctors, craftsmen, my hairdresser, or whoever I need an appointment with whenever my smart home automatically detects that it's necessary to do so. The future is literally here. And that was just some of the highlights. 2025 was wild, but 2026 will get even better. What was your favorite project in 2026? Let me know in the comments. Stay smart, and I'll see you in the upcoming year 2026. Bye.